Hi, and thanks for tuning in. This is Patti Behan, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this watercolored card using Tim Holtz Steed Taylor water brush and Wendy Vecchi blendable dye inks. So let's get started. Since I am watercoloring today, I'm using Distress watercolor cardstock. The great thing about this cardstock is that it has two different textures. One side has a bumpy surface and the other side is smooth, so that if you are stamping you will get a nice crisp image. I'm going for a clean look here, so I'm going to use the smooth side. And first we're going to take the Wendy Vecchi Make Art Stamp and Stencil die set called Bravo. This is a great all-in-one card making set, or you can mix and match with other sets in Wendy's line. So get out your stamp block, and I'm going to use this flower right here. Put it on the block, and then take jet black archival ink, and we're going to stamp the flower 3 times. And the great thing about using archival ink is that it's permanent and waterproof, so great for watercoloring. Don't forget to re-ink after each time that you stamp on the card. Okay, once that's done, you're going to find your matching die, and you're going to go ahead and cut all of these out. And I've gone ahead and done that. And you're going to take the Tim Holtz Steed Taylor water brush and violet ink and bluebird blendable ink. And you're going to use the craft sheet as a palette and rub the ink on the mat. And after that, you're going to go ahead and dip your brush into the bluebird ink, and you're going to paint the bottom of the leaves on the flower. And the reason we're doing the bottom first is that we're going to be painting in layers, and the bottom has a shadow, so it's going to be a little bit darker, so we're going to start there. And after that, put a little drop of water on the sheet, and then take the ink that's already on there and just rub it to the edges. Now go into the violet ink, and you're just going to add that to the tips. And it looks like this. And if you find that your flower is getting too wet, you can blot it with a paper towel. Also, you can wipe off your brush. And then we're going to go back in with some bluebird again at the bottom, like so. And then just keep layering. There you can see it's getting darker. Add some more violet at the tips again. And I think I'm going to go in here one more time. Just add a little more blue. Some more violet. Okay. I think that looks good right there. Let's clean this up. And now I've gone ahead and I've colored the other flowers off camera, and we are ready to put the card together. So take a gray Wendy Vecchi Perfect cardstock panel, and I trimmed this to 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and place them on the card to see how they fit. And then I'm going to use this leafy vine stamp, And before I ink it up, I'm going to eyeball where I want the stamp. Okay, and once that's done, I move it around a little bit more. Ink up the stamp with jet black archival. And go ahead and stamp the image right there. Go ahead, put the flower back, stamp it up, ink the image again, stamp it, and then we're going to do it one last time. Now I'm going to take the Bravo stamp and ink it again with jet black archival, and I'm stamping on another piece of watercolor cardstock. Cut it out to make a little banner, so you want to go close to the words. And then cut a little V into the center so you get a cute little banner there. And once that's done, I'm ready to put it all together. And I'm going to glue this with some matte multi-medium. Then do the same with the Bravo sentiment. And I'm using a Wendy Vecchi Perfect card. And this is the portrait card. And I'm going to adhere it with the letter double stick tape. Okay, so it looks like this. And for a finishing touch, we are going to embellish the card with liquid pearls in ocean blue. Squeeze some out onto the craft sheet, and then use a Wendy Vecchi stylus. I'm using the smaller tip to dot some pearls on the vine. The stylus comes in a set of 2, and each side has a different size tip, so you can make small or large dots or anything in between. And it looks like that. It's just a neat way to add dots onto your card without going directly from the bottle.
Your card.
And it looks like this, and you're all done. You have this pretty card to congratulate someone for a job well done. If you'd like to see more videos, please click the link below and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can find a supply list of the products used in the description section below. Thanks for watching and hope to see you soon.